classic Type R. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh. Oh. Come on. Wow. Oh. Hi, I'm Adam C, and welcome back to Rufford Ford. We've been here recently to film cars driving through a puddle. It's a Ford that goes across a road, and cars are almost challenged to make it across, and some don't. So, let's see what happens. Something's coming at speed. It's a tractor. Okay, here we go. My lace is wet. Oh, God, that should give you a bit of confidence. You can do it. No. Whoa! He's not hanging around in the insignia. Hey! Oh dear. Oh no. Oh! What? Well done, BMW. A Golf R Estate. The most performancy of performance vehicles we've had so far. Proof that any car can do it, I think. Hey! Oh yes, it's a Citroen Nemo. It's in its natural environment. It all makes sense. Oh dear. A diesel Renault Megane. Will it? Oh, that was a stall. No, that did appear to be a Hydrolox engine. The way it's stalled like that. We're pushing the Megane out the way. Oh, I've been waiting for a classic. We need a black and chrome plate to add to the collection, but no, this is going to put into the wedding. That is the bride. Yeah. Beautiful. We found a plate and the plate's bearer. We've recovered her 18 plate for her. Oh, they've started the Megane again.
The Megane.
That'll be 20 quid. This bike's needed a clean. It's the one way to do it. Oh, here we go. Here we go. She was not waiting around. We have a Honda Civic. Is it a Type R? Going for it. He's lost his plates. There's a plate in there. The front plate came off.
Cleaning crews on it.
Wow, a Skoda medallion on the bonnet of the taxi. Yeah, careful, you don't want your medallion to fall off. There we go. Very good driving. Protect the badge. They're going camping. Are we going to get a 72 plate? We might do.
Yes.
Yes, 72 plate. It's coming back, it's coming back. Oh, it's the Civics plate. It's the Civics.
No.
It's going.
It's not. Yes.
Well done. Oh, there's a Porsche Boxster. He's given up very fast. Yes, sensible, very sensible. I wouldn't have. Oh my goodness. That got me on the shins. Ah, here comes Tesco. I got soaked. Four feathers McCraw. Smishy squashy. The water climbed up the bonnet. It's fine. Hey! The wedding's... Oh look, confetti! They've got married! In the meantime, we're filming a transit go through some water. Here we go! Oh dear. Oh dear.
Nah mate, you're not going nowhere. No, that does not sound good.
No.
Oh!
He proper sent it. I was just coming out of the toilet, so I missed it. Wow. Just in time for the wedding photography. There we go. Solved-ish. Sorry to the bride and the groom. We have the first Porsche actually capable of wading through. Cayenne will breeze through, no problem. Come on, a little bit more. He's cautious. Oh my god. The Cayenne is back to put on another show. How fast will he do it this time? Oh, he's gone in slowly. Yeah, the passenger's filming. Here we go. Oh, there we go. Well done. It's like a Thorpe Park ride, isn't it? Well, we haven't had a tractor for a while. It's got some potatoes! Some spuds! Oh, they all stayed on the trailer. That was quite quick. That's died already, I think. No. Oh, yeah, that's died. What? Where's the white smoke? That was a surprise. Please go through the Ford. If I was the groom, I would instruct him to go through the Ford, but no, they're being sensible. This Qashqai's already got a hanging bit of trim. It's been through before. Gently does it, sir. He's unsure. No. Thumbs down from inside. Hey! Oh, okay. Fair enough. Oh, I hope he doesn't kill the van now. We did tell him to take it easy. That wasn't easy. Oh dear. Oh no. Oh dear. It's... Jag! The first Jag of the day! He doesn't care. Go on, fix that broadband. Yeah! It's Hyundai versus Mercedes. The Mercedes has decided against it, and the Hyundai has decided against it. Oh! So the Mercedes isn't going to, but I reckon the Disco might. They're not actually going that quickly, they're just cruising. Tracks are coming at speed. Sans potatoes. Discos are coming. Quite quick. Oh, go on, Twosome. Oh dear. Yes, survives. My camera might get a little bit soaked. It's Tesla time. Will his plate come out though? That's the question. Because it's gone away with it. Their plates just fall off. Is it the Fiesta's day? Ooh. Let's see how well they made these cars. It's hard to tell from down here, but it's made it. Oh, imagine if it stalls and floats away. A learner driver wading through successfully. Well done. Instant pass. I think the Iveco's got its rear end open. We'll see as it comes past. Bit of a tidal wave. Yeah, it's open. There's fridges. He's just nicked those. Oh, he's got a hubcap.
I know you've got to refresh it now.
Yeah, it's blue like the colour of water. Oh. Nice and easy. Well done, sir. Oh, it's a lightsaber. He won't be so much a snobby butcher when he fails. Oh, it's taken time. There's 2 police cars. Have they been called about what's going on? Because nothing's going on. Look, it's just a puddle. What they need to do is put the lights on and send it. Are they blocking the road, or are they just deciding whether to wade through?
No.
No. Oh, they're having a race. Are they coming? Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Yes! Yes! Hey! Well done! This one's changed his mind. Oh, this guy's sprinting towards us. Oh, here comes Morrison's. Want to make sure those bananas are still fresh. Oh, here we go. Well, I'm glad I'm not in the splash zone, because those who are gonna get wet. We've got another discovery. Bit of a green lane of this one. He's not slowing down. Here we go. The passenger's enjoying his ride through the water. There's not as much of a range of vehicles anymore. It's just these, and they're acing it. And a plane. A5, what are we reckoning? Oh, here we go. That is a sinking Audi. That is extremely low. He's made it. Well done. Yes, cheers from within. And then the white smoke emits. Yeah. Oh. Go on near. Oh, wow. The Kias have been going for it today. Yes, he loves it. Splishy sploshy. Oh. You alright? Yeah, it's fine. We're good. Whole family on board. There you go. Yeah, that's some trim gone. The Vauxhall's like, nah, I'm not going to do that. Almost knocked his colours out of his hair. I think the passenger was filming. They knew what was coming. The Fabia's going for it. Oh, that's covered the bonnet. It survived. There we go. Daihatsu's coming down. The Renault Traffic is making traffic, so the Daihatsu is waiting for the traffic to clear so he can send it. Oh, that scared me. Next is a nervous lady in her Peugeot, wading in. Ooh, it's up to the mouth. Oh, I'd be nervous. Well done. Good little Peugeot. Oh, look. A oh, here we go. A Defender and a Disco. I don't want to be in the splash zone. I want to get out of the splash zone. I dropped my selfie stick. Oh, look, they've returned. Potato! Oh, we saw them earlier on the van. On the trailer, that was it. So I drop kick it into the water.
Yes.
I'll probably fail because I can't kick a ball. Oh. But from Rufford Ford, that was pretty much that. So let me know in the comments if you want to see me back here again. These chaps are here every single day, pretty much. And some of them arrive at like 3 in the morning. It's really bizarre. It's 3 hours away from me, so it's kind of worthwhile. So let me know if you enjoyed the video, and go follow me on Instagram for the updates and highlights of where I'm going to be and whether I come back here. So I hope you enjoyed that video, but for now, thanks for watching.